What's up, fish keepers? How's it going? Red Bella Prana with you. Today I'll be comparing 3 filters based on their noise level, their sound level, how loud they are. The first 2 filters will be Penguin BioWheel 350, which is this guy right here. Has 2 BioWheels, and Aqueon, which is a 75-gallon filter. This is a 55. So I'm gonna turn on the Aqueon filter. As you can see, it's pretty quiet. It's the quietest of filters that I know of. Okay, now I'm gonna turn off this filter and turn on BioWheel. And this is BioWheel. As you can see, it's really loud and annoying. Sometimes you can play around with the plug to make a better sound. Something like this. Still pretty loud, as you can hear, interfering with my voice. So I think it's a really bad design. And now let's compare it back to Aqueon. It's nothing compared to that. Quiet and smooth. One last time. BioWheel on. As you can see, it's loud. For some reason, it's just sometimes you can play around with this. Overall, it's just a bad design. Okay, now we'll be comparing Aqueon with Aquaclear 500. And Aquaclear 500, this is what it looks like. Aqueon. Alright, I'm gonna let Aqueon do its job first. One, two, three. Doesn't interfere with my voice as much as the others, which is the BioWheel one. Okay, so it's pretty quiet. And this is Aquaclear 500. As you can see the comparison, this one is a bit louder than Aqueon, but BioWheel is far more louder than this. So I would say the first place gets Aqueon, then it goes Aquaclear 500, and then BioWheel 350. Alright, thank you for watching. Make your own decision on what you're gonna buy, but I suggest Aqueon. Okay, I'm gonna turn off this filter. So and this is Aquaclear 500.